This video is I want to control solid state relay without Arduino. If I plug into the plug point, and this is 240 volt input here, and this is 12 volt output, and this is the loop to solid state relay the output here, and I'm gonna turn on the power so the light is turning on. Right, we have to be very careful we don't touch here. So this is 12 volt, 12 positive, 12 negative, and this time I'm going to control with Arduino. So I will turn it off first. So Arduino is produce 5 volt, and this solid state relay is between 3 to 32 volts, so this will work. So what we can do is here, this pin number 8 we connect to positive side, and the ground, I will use the ground from this side here. The ground we connect to negative here. We have to write the code which will be on and off. Alright, so let me upload the code first. Let me write the code. Is we use digital pin number 8, this for digital pin number 8 for solid state relay positive side, and solid state relay, this is the pin mode output, and 5 second on, 5 second off. It is a 5 second, it's supposed to be 3. I need to adjust, so here's 3 second on, 3 second off. Alright, you can adjust depending on how you want to control. I just want to share these things we can control from Arduino. So here we go back to this part here, and I will turn on the power supply. So make sure that you don't touch this part because this is the output. It's very dangerous. So I will turn on the main power switch. So the relay is work, our code is work. So three second on, 3 second off. So if you don't want to use Arduino, you can directly control from this 12 volt. But the good thing Arduino is we can set the timing by our code. But if we apply this 12 volt positive and negative, and you need to control it from manually. Now we are using the code. So the code is we set to 3 second on, 3 second off. If I remove this from Arduino here, okay, and I'll put Arduino, I'll remove it, and if I connect to this, so the things are still on, but this will not control on and off. This will be on all the time. But using Arduino, we can control how many seconds we want to turn on and how many seconds we want to turn off, and we can even apply the sensor. Alright, so I hope you understand this video, and thank you for watching my video.